Hey guys, so we're live. Today I want to talk about my productivity report for the last week. So I just want to highlight here that what was I able to accomplish the last week. Yes, and if I if I think about it, last week I completed a major milestone of completing my own portfolio websites, and if I can show you what am I talking about, would be this. Yes. So right now my portfolio is here in my screen. Yes, and you can see this is what I'm mean when I'm talking about my portfolio. Yes, I'm trying to build this website for past a month. Yes, and consistently I'm putting 5 minutes here and there, an hour here and there, and I'm trying to develop this features. And finally, yesterday night I was able to complete and ramp up all these developments for all these pages about me, projects, my resume, and all of the things. Yes, everything here is complete. If I click on the blog, it goes to my blog, and I can go back to my portfolio websites. Yes, so all these features I just ramped up last night, and today morning I found out 5 minutes somewhere, and then I finally made it live. So if you look at the domain here, yes, this is my own website, jbaba.dev. Yes, and it's live, guys. So this is a major milestone in my uh, goals, where I had set up one smaller goals for this year, that I should have my own portfolio website built up, and I didn't want to copy the templates from somewhere else. I didn't want to reuse the templates. So let me correct that. I wanted to write everything from the scratch. So I had no skills for the UI and UX development here, and you see everything which is right here, this headers and this design, I have write the code for all these things. Behind the scene, I came up with all these designs. Yes, and then I bootstrapped this entire website. So one of the goal for me for this year was to understand how the UI and UX works, and try to build really good looking websites. Yes, because if you want to be an entrepreneur, then you need to have a general understanding of how the UI works. You need to have a vision for your own products. How should it look like? And when customer comes to your website, yes, how do you efficiently communicate that these are the product features for yourself, for your products, and customers should fall in love with your product. Yes, so you should have an understanding of how this UI technology works. So how do you do this? Only way for me to do this is get dirty. Get dirty with these things. Try to do something basic implementation. Try to make my own portfolio really good. Yes, and then if I can make that, then I can prove that I can build these things out. And tomorrow, for any so reason, if I had to flex my muscles for the UI developments, I can judge it. I can do it myself, or if I find someone else, if my co-founder in the future is trying to do this, I can help them out. Yes, so I would be contributing it if I have to do this kind of work in the future. So this was the major milestone for me, where I actually learned how the CSS works, how the UI works, how the UI and UX works, how this color contrast works. You see here I have tried to use the two different color contrast. One is blue and this is a white, and you can see the font, yes, here has a slight pinkish blue. Yes, not pinkish blue, just like it's a pink, but it has an opacity of maybe a 90% or something. So I try to come up with all these things, and just I want to let you know, I want to let you guys know that I did a lot of research, before I started doing these things. And the best framework, guys, I if you guys are looking at this, if you guys are following me here, you guys will come up, you will get tired of me telling you that go tailwind CSS. Yes, uh, you have to learn this tool, guys. this might be the tool which can give you, edge in your career. Yes, maybe by learning this, you would be far ahead of your teammates, and it might be the thing which can finally be make or lose for your career, and you can show something up. You can prove that you have skills for the UI, for this beautiful design technologies where you have to build the front end of your applications. Yes, guys, check this out. Find some time in your busy life, maybe 1 or 2 hour, learn this technology. It's going to be tremendously helpful for your own career. I cannot stress this enough. This is a really good technology out there, and it might be as easy as learning ABCD. Your first, like the infant learns the first uh, alphabets. Yes, ABCD. It might be as easy as this technology. For you. As a developer, this might be similar to learning an alphabets. And if you can do this, you can write words. So go check this out, and learn this, and it might be one more thing in your resume you can show off to someone. Yes. So I want to just let you guys know that finally, I'm trying to build this my portfolio website for last 1.5 month, and I made it live today. Yes. So I think this was my productivity week report to you guys, that it was good last week, that I completed something. I have something checked off my list for this year. So that was my uh, story to you. Yes, and let me know, guys, in the comment, how did you like it. And I've been recommending you to check out this Tailwind CSS framework for a long time. Yes, and let me know if any of you find some time to go and check it out, and did you give it a try. Yes. So I really value your opinions. Think me as your study partner, and I consider this as an open source development, where whatever stuff I'm putting it out there, so we as a community can learn together. If I fall somewhere, you guys can highlight me that, Namish, you are doing this thing wrong. Put me a comment there and help me out here. Yes. And if you guys want to let me check out something, shoot me a comment here, and then I can check something out. Yes. So this is our productivity journey, or our entrepreneurship journey together. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, bye bye.